Along the east passage of the Narragansett Bay lies the Castle Hill Lighthouse. In 1869, the Lighthouse Board recommended that a lighthouse and a fog signal be constructed at Castle Hill to better aid maritime traffic within the bay. The board requested funding several times for the project, but was denied by Congress. Their unsuccessful search for other locations left the board trying to negotiate with Castle Hill owner Alexander Agassiz. Agassiz was a scientist who resided in his nearby home, now known as the Castle Hill Inn. Agassiz decided to sell a parcel of land for the lighthouse, but negotiations for a right-of-way delayed construction for several years until it was completed in 1890. Constructed of gray granite blocks, it stands 34 feet tall and was originally topped with a Fifth Order Fresnel lens, which could be seen for 10 miles. The lighthouse was first lit on May 1st, 1890, and was manned by a lightkeeper. In 1899, the upper part of the lighthouse was repainted white, which still remains today. Lightkeepers remained on the site until 1957, when the light was automated and its Fresnel lens replaced. The lighthouse was added to the National Register of Historic Places in 1988. The lighthouse continues to serve as a navigational beacon and as a popular landmark alongside the nearby Castle Hill Inn. Today, this area is frequented by guests of the Castle Hill Inn, which offers rooms to tourists, fine dining, a spa, and has become one of the most sought-after wedding venues along the East Coast. For more information about the Castle Hill Inn, visit castlehillinn.com. Thank you for watching this episode of the Reveal Our Eye video series brought to you by NovaPro Media. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you can be notified every time we upload a new video. We'll see you soon.